Hello everyone, this is Dimitar from the RedmineUP support team. In this video, I'm going to show you how to relate invoices and expenses to a Redmine issue. A few words before that. Before version 4.4 of Invoices plugin, this was automatically done. It was incorporated into the plugin and it was just a default feature. However, after this version, we have moved it as a custom fields because in this way it is going to be more flexible for the user. It will be with more options and more perspectives for the user. I'm going to show you so it will be easier for you to understand it, how it works. Okay, so the first thing you have to do is to go to administration that is located into the top right corner and then select custom fields. Here on a new custom field you have to select type issues and click on next. Afterward on the format you have to select invoices to be invoice custom field. Okay, so this is the thing that I was talking about. So here are a lot of options that you have about this invoice. So it will be related to the issues, and then you have to set in accordance with your needs a lot of options here. So it could be used filter, required field, visible for certain roles, visible for certain trackers, and so on. It is up to you how these configurations could be done. These are just example settings that I'm doing now. Including the name, it could be up to you how you could set the name. In our case, we are going to name it, for example, related invoices. Okay. So we have to just repeat these steps for expenses. So it could be again type issues, and then format, you have to select expenses here. Again, we select these options, and we name it, for example, related expenses. Alright, so we see that we have now two custom fields that are for issues, and they are with format invoice and format expenses. So let's go in a real issue to see how it works. We go to our invoices project demo and then open some existing issue. Of course, you could create a new issue if you like, it is up to you. Okay, so we see our custom fields here, related invoices and related expenses. When you click on it, then you will see the existing invoices in our Invoices plugin from RedmineUP. So you just select from the drop-down menu the ones that you like. In our example here, we are going to select these three. And also, let's add some expenses too. Okay, so we add a command adding invoices and expenses to issue testing. So we see it here. We have related invoices and expenses that are clickable. So when you click, you just open the invoice itself. Alright. And very important thing is that we have task number 551, and when you click on the invoice, you see that it is stated here, related issues, it is task 551. So this means that when you go to invoices, select invoice, you could also see that it is related to this issue. And you could of course click on it and go and see it. The same is for expenses as well. So this is the feature. we see here into the notes properties, it is also selected, and we could see it as an information. So I hope this video was helpful for you. If you like it, you could check other videos and articles from RedmineUP. Thank you very much for watching this video, and bye bye for now.